James Carpenter with Country Living. Welcome to my channel and thank you for watching my videos. All right, I just wanted to talk a little bit about the potatoes, and since it's fall, I'm going to show you digging the potatoes. So we've dug the potatoes. First I want to talk about the two tractors, workhorses. All right, that's the newer Kubota B Series 2022. It's a 2301, and I've had this one for years. This is a 1988 Kubota B Series, and it's a workhorse too. As you can see, let me back up a little bit. They've increased the size a little bit. The newer one looks a little beefier. It's got bigger tires and wheels on, rims and wheels. Okay, so what we've done is we've taken this plow. They actually technically call it a middle buster, and we used it to dig the potatoes. And then the potatoes, we used the forks on the tractor and put the crop in this bucket, or in these totes. So I'm going to take the totes and I'm going to set them in the we've got a canopy out back. I'm going to set those in there and let them dry for about 10 days, and then I'm going to bag them up and I'll put them in the root cellar. I did take the time to use that middle buster to plow the garden, so I've got everything plowed up. I'll take the tiller come week or so after, let this grass die a little bit, and I'll get it all tilled up for next spring, and then of course till it again in the spring. But it'll give the soil a good chance to compost down over the winter. I did put a lot of sand and horse manure in it last year, so that's probably still somewhat decomposing. Back here is the tent. I call it the tent. It's a somewhat permanent structure right now. This is where we're going to put the potatoes out of the direct sunlight, but yet in the air so that they can dry. On top of those potatoes, I put the extra crates. We're going to set there. They'll help block any light that might be trying to get through. All right, I got the Kubota back in the garage. I still got to put the small, well, I call it smaller, but it's a B Series Kubota away. I'll do that here in a minute. I just wanted to thank you for watching my videos, and I hope you enjoyed the potato digging. Have a great day.